Oz here with my vlog for the third day of SSSVEDA. One time I connected with a student who had taken an Excel class from me, and I noticed something in a workbook that looked familiar. I said, "This looks like something I would do." And she said, "Oh yeah, I saw you doing it in a workshop." This is fascinating because it's the kind of thing that a student is paying attention to that isn't the central focus of the course. And here is what she had done. If I get data like this and I have to do something with it, I might copy it, create a copy, and then I might call this raw, and then even color it red so that I know when I'm in there. And then I might call this working copy so that I can always get back to the original. If I mess something up here, I might hate it, but I can always get back to the raw data and start all over again. Another quiet thing about how I work with Excel. Hot chocolate. Year round. Hot chocolate. Other thing. 2 mice. Yes, 2 mice. I did a video on that. Crap data does not rest, and I need to have both hands available. The keyboard, move around, shake and bake, shuffle. When crap data is coming from any angle, I've got both hands. They can't get me. So I've got 2 mice that I use. You see me working left hand, boom, right hand, go back to the raw data, insert a pivot table, boom, okay, but that was the raw data, I shouldn't have been in there, delete, go back to my left hand, good, right hand, go back to the working copy, yeah, insert the pivot table that way, all right, left hand, salesperson, right hand, revenue share. All right, see, left hand, right hand, crap data can't win. Another thing that I do in Excel, I hide the ribbon a lot. Sometimes I need to really see what's going on. If I were to say go down to say 60%, now I can't, that's not legible, no. I like to be around 80%, and if I need to see more, I can get a little bit more by hiding that ribbon. And it'll come back by this. Once I pick something up here, the ribbon comes back and I can pin it back down. Hey, R, I say I do what I need to do. So I want to get rid of these filter buttons. Boom, get rid of the filter buttons and then hide that ribbon again. Good, doesn't need to be in the way. And the other tip that I will share with you is view, new window. Now I have 2 windows and you can see XLSX:1, SLXS:2. So I've got 2 windows here. And for my 2 monitors, I can slide this over onto my second monitor. And of course you can't see it, but the idea being I've got more space here so that I can see what the hell is going on. By seeing the data in 2 windows, it's still all integrated and I can make changes in one and watch the results in another. So over here we got a problem. We've got a Larissa and a Larissa M. They both need to be Larissa. Well, they need to be one or the other. So what I'm gonna do is bring back that filter. I'm gonna filter for Larissa M. Turned into Larissa. Now let's refresh this pivot table. Good. The data's fixed now. And I will show you one thing that's new in Excel 2016. We're going to options. And right now, I don't understand how this office theme is called colorful. Green, gray, and white is colorful. Somebody must have been drinking. That's all I can think, because that's not colorful. But if a person was drunk, that might be colorful. All right, so here's one thing that's pretty neat. I'm going to go to black. Oh. Now look at that red standing out like that. Good God Almighty. Let's bring this ribbon back. Pin that ribbon down. Yeah. Oh, another thing I'll share with you. Often I have to make a lot of random sets of data. Let's go over here. I'm going to open in my Dropbox. I have a file called Random Names and Cities. Let's open that. I've got a list of fish that's over 1,000 rows. Colors, cities, names and codes, professional designations. And then I have this called mini names, which randomizes first and last names. So there's formulas under here and everything is all set up. Over in column A, there are 1,281 first names. Then I've got a lot of last names over here, and I set up some formulas to randomize some names. And so if I wanted these names, copy, I can go to where I want my random data to be, paste it in. Then I even have some drinks here. Then let's say that equals, let's say that age equals rand between 25 and 60. Copy, paste special. All right, so got a little bit of random data here that I can use for whatever I want to use it for. There you go. There are some things that you won't take a workshop to learn, but they are things that help me to get my work done personally. Right? So, it'd be interesting to hear from other people how you make Excel work for you. And please subscribe to the channel. Be in touch. Send me questions. Let's have some fun. All right.